Hello guys, hope you are all good. Today we will discuss about new concept which is helpful for competitive exams. The lecture includes work and time with real-life examples. So stay connected with us till the end. Basically, time and work problem involves calculating the time taken to complete a task or the amount of work done in a given time. Work. It is amount of work done is directly proportional to the time taken. Means more work more time is needed. Where time is inversely proportional to the rate of work. Means more work or less time is required. Condition 1. If two persons can alone finish a work in X days and Y days respectively, then together they can finish the work in X times Y divides by X plus Y days. Problem. Zain can complete a piece of work in 8 hours and Uzair can complete the same piece of work in 4 hours. How much time will both of them take together, approximately, to complete the same piece of work? Let's solve step by step. Zain's 1 hour work equals 1 upon 8. Uzair's 1 hour work equals 1 upon 4. Find their combined 1 hour work will be 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 4. Take a LCM, we get 12 upon 32. Simplify. The final answer will be 3 by 8. Condition 2. If two persons together can do the work in X days and one of them alone can do it in Y days, then the other person alone can do it in X times Y divides by X minus Y days. Problem. X and Y can make a machine in 12 days and Y alone can make it in 48 days. X alone can make the machine in X plus Y s 1 day work equals 1 upon 12. Y's 1 day work equals 1 upon 48. Find the X 1 day work will be 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 48. Similarly, take a LCM, we get 4 minus 1 upon 48 is equal to 3 by 48. So we get X can do the work in 16 days. This is final answer. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks.